Welcome to the Sam and Joe VA Show, where we teach women just like you how to start and scale a thriving virtual assistant business.
We're your hosts, Sam and Joe, and get ready to have the control, flexibility, and freedom you've always dreamed of.
Welcome to episode 159. Are you pretending?
We bet you are. We bet you that there's something in your business that you're pretending to do, but you're not really doing.
We can almost guarantee it because every time that we hear this particular message, we look at each other and we go, oh, yeah, we are pretending to do something, but not really doing it.
There's always something. It's usually something different, but there is always something. It's such a wake-up call. Now, this message that we've received 3 times now,
Yes.
is from the same person.
Mhm.
We had the absolute pleasure to attend a workshop this weekend together in person, not online, actually in person. And it was Alex Tripod. And if you haven't heard of Alex Tripod, she is a manifestation coach based in Australia. And we've known her online for about a year and a half now. She first came onto our radar when we asked her to speak at last year's Virtual Assistant Online Summit, which she very kindly agreed to do. And since then, we've done a couple of workshops, and each time this message from her, this question that she asks us, she asks the room, we just both look at each other and just go, yep, and we know exactly what it is that we've been pretending that we're meant to do lately, and we just aren't.
Yeah, we say that we're doing it, but we're not actually doing it.
Yeah.
So we want you to have a think right now. What is it that you are pretending to do? But if you're really honest with yourself, you're not actually doing it.
Mhm.
And we're gonna go through some examples to get you thinking.
Yeah, there's some main things that we see virtual assistants fall into this trap of pretending, faking, talking about it, but they're not really. First one, it's a biggie. Finding clients. They're pretending to find clients. They're pretending that they've got a lead generation strategy. They're pretending that they're doing everything that they need to be doing in order for clients to want to work with them. But they're not. In actual fact, deep down, they're really just hoping that they don't have to do much and that these leads and these clients are just going to magically appear.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So is that you? Are you saying, yeah, I'm doing the things to find clients? But are you actually just sitting behind your computer and being busy with busy stuff?
Yeah.
Rather than
Getting distracted by social media, getting distracted by a workshop or a free challenge or reading blog posts about other people that are finding their clients.
Mm-hmm.
Are you actually putting the action in?
Mm.
It's really interesting. I mean, this is probably the question that we receive the most
Yeah.
in the various Facebook groups is, "Help me, I can't find clients. I'm really struggling to find clients.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what I'm doing wrong." And, like, for the most part, they're what they're doing wrong is they're not doing anything. So our question back to them is, "Okay, what lead generation strategy are you implementing right now?"
Mm.
Nothing. Crickets. They're not doing anything. They've set up a social media account. They may have done a website, and that's as far as it's got.
Mm-hmm.
You're pretending to find clients at
Mm-hmm.
this point, if that is you.
Yeah. Another one is, yeah, I'm showing up online.
This is us, Joe.
Pretending to show up online, but are you
Yeah.
really showing up? Because what we see is, yeah, yeah, I'm showing up online. I've shared someone else's thing to my story. I'm doing a post with an inspirational quote.
I'm celebrating Pancake Day.
That's not actually showing up online. Your face is not on there,
Mhm.
you're not on video, not creating your own valuable content.
You're hiding behind your logo. You don't have a personal brand at all. You don't have haven't found your brand voice.
Mhm. Yep. All the
Or you go
messages
from one
of other
extreme to
people.
the other. Yeah, you're kind of your messaging's all off, or you're you're not adding any value. You're not or you're not even talking about what it is that you do. So
Mm,
anyone that does happen to come across you online, they've got no idea.
mm. Yeah, you're doing the safe hiding content, not
Mm.
the vulnerable showing up content. Mm. So is that you? Are you pretending to show up online, but not really showing up?
Mm. Maybe you're pretending that you're marketing your business. However that may be, whether that's online or elsewhere, you're pretending that you're marketing it. But you're not actually doing any selling whatsoever, because that just feels icky.
Mhm.
You don't wanna put people off. So you just don't mention how it is that you could help them or how many hours you've got available at the moment.
Or
Just
how to
gonna
get in
avoid
touch
it.
with you.
How to get in touch with you. Yeah.
Or that you're looking for clients.
Mhm.
Mm,
Marketing without selling.
mm.
Mm-mm.
You might be pretending to network online. Well, are you actually networking or are you in some Facebook groups?
Are you lurking? Are you one of the lurkers? You're in there. You're in there all day because you've got time. You don't have clients. You're struggling with that. So you're in these Facebook groups, but you're not adding any value in there. You're not engaging in there. You're just watching. You're watching from the sidelines. You're watching everybody else do awesome things with their virtual assistant businesses. And you're sitting there and you're going, oh man, they're so lucky. If only I could do what that person did.
Mhm. And all your comments are, "Oh, that's awesome. Oh, good. Well done. Oh, love this." Or even worse, dropping a link on a post and then disappearing.
Oh, you know how much I love that, seeing that happen. Pet hate. Pet hate. Yeah. Lurking until somebody potentially has a job opportunity, and then you're
Mm,
in. You're straight in there. You're
mm.
the first one, and you're dropping a link. You're dropping your website. I can help you. Check me out. See you later.
Yep. So are you pretending to network? Are you pretending to build relationships, but you're not really doing it?
Are you pretending that you've niched?
Mm.
Mhm.
Yeah, Sam, I offer website services.
You do? That's
Yeah.
fantastic. So why does all your messaging, Joe, talk about bookkeeping?
Oh, yeah, because I also wanna do that as well, just in case someone needs it.
Ah, so you haven't really niched then, Joe. You're kinda just pretending that you have.
Pretending to niche.
And then wondering why no one's asking you for those website services.
Or why
But you're
people are just
half-assing it.
confused, full
Yeah.
stop, and they're not getting in touch with you at all for anything.
Mhm.
Mm. Pretending that you're doing email marketing. Yeah, I've got a list. I've started a list, got a few people on there. I'm doing email marketing.
Are you, Joe? Are you doing anything with that list?
Mm. Are you actually sending emails
Oh,
to the list? The
or
email part of the email marketing.
or are you absolutely frozen?
Mm.
Frozen when it comes to taking action with that list because you don't know what to write, you don't know what to send them, you don't know what they're gonna want to read.
Mhm.
You don't wanna bother them. You don't wanna like, their inboxes are super busy as it is. It's not gonna get read. What have you got to share that anyone really cares about?
Yep. Pretending to email market.
Mm.
Is that you? And that may not be the right strategy at all for you. You might be pretending to do it, wasting time and energy thinking about doing it.
What are you pretending to do right now, Joe?
Oh, you're going to put me on the spot. I'm pretending to post consistently on Instagram. I'm pretending to do reels. What are you pretending to do, Sam?
Yeah, I'm pretending that I'm showing up right now. I'm
Hmm.
showing up in some places, but I'm not showing up in all the places that I want to be showing up.
Hmm.
Safe to pretend though, isn't it?
Mm.
It's quite safe.
Mhm. So you've heard all our examples, and we know that there is something bubbling up for you right now. So what is it? What are you pretending to do that you're not really doing? Be honest, and then you've got a decision to make. Are you going to stop pretending? And are you actually going to go do that thing properly? Or are you going to continue to pretend? Thanks for listening to this episode of the Sam and Joe VA Show. If you'd like to find out more, head to the VA Foundry website to check out the Members Club and the amazing resources, training, and coaching.
You can find us at thevafoundry.com.